Are you stuck with the XML2 Library DLL missing error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to help you fix this crash right now. As we prepare the manual solution for XML2 Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the XML2 library, a generic XML Parser library, v2. It provides unmanaged routines for parsing, validating, and manipulating XML and HTML data structures. It facilitates the orchestration of data link manifests for software that relies on structured configuration files or web-based data exchanges. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The recommended fix is a reinstall of libxml2. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to replace the file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the XML2 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install XML2 Library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for XML2 library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix XML2 library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.